Hi, this is John Gerard, owner of Quail Homes. We want to talk today a little bit about how we address comfort. We take this very serious, and where we first start with comfort and the livability of your home is really how do we equip the home with the right heating and cooling equipment, the water heater, something called an HRV, heat recovery ventilation system. It all starts right here in our mechanical room. The first thing that we really address, do we have the right equipment for your heating and cooling? Standard, we put in what they call as a hybrid system. And this allows you to have ultimate comfort, it's high efficiency, but what happens, it's the heat pump, so that air conditioning runs off the heat pump when it gets warm. When it gets cool, like in our climate, maybe below 50 degrees, it's a gas furnace. It's a hybrid electric gas furnace, and the gas kicks in. So what that really means is your costs are lower with this type of system, so then our clients aren't afraid to managing or over managing the temperature in their home because we're running the equipment very efficiently. We also have, for the comfort, this is more on the water heater, we'll either use a tankless or we'll use a heat pump hot water heater. They're extremely efficient. You have temperature gauges on here, so you can adjust individually to exactly the temperature you want, and that's part of the comfort package as well. Now, if you have allergies and things like that, we actually put in standard HEPA filter type filtration for your air in the furnace, and we include the service contract to keep those maintained for you in the first year, so they're always clean and keeps those particles out of your home. And so if you're sensitive to allergies in particular, we're going to make sure you're in a clean environment. The heat recovery ventilator, what this does, it helps really with the ventilation of your home, and that's part of the comfort. We have our bath fans, we have the laundry fan, all of our fans, including this ventilation system here, is all set on humidity of the home. So when the humidity kicks up, the fans kick in, and what that really does for you as you live there, the main benefit is really the overall comfort because your home's being ventilated properly. So when we think of comfort, first is, are you using the right equipment, which Quail does. Comfort to us is no matter where you are in the home, what's the temperature variance? In most homes, it's 10 or 15 degrees. You got hot and cold spots. We pride on ourselves in being within 3 degrees in any room. And part of doing that is, one is the right equipment. Two is how we seal. You can't really tell behind the walls right now, but your air leakage, air coming in and out of the home, your drafts in the home, the primary culprits are really what they call down at the base is a base plate on the framing. The top plate up there is another place where you get air leakage. Around your windows you get air leakage, and around your doors. So we spend a lot of time and detail of the effort to get the right sealant products, the right sealers, and of course then the right labor component to install this right. So when you seal your home up, the old adage is build them tight, ventilate them right. We talked about our ventilation system that's all automated. We seal these up really tight, and now you have clean, fresh air coming through that's filtered, and we're able to manage the temperature in the home within maybe roughly 3 degrees. And the benefit, you don't have really high bills either, so you can set your thermometer right here. As you can see where we have a digital thermometer for the home, and you can program these if you're out of town. You can even get them on your phone and manage it from there. But basically you can almost set it and forget it, and you're going to enjoy the low bills. But more importantly, you're going to enjoy the comfort. You don't have to wear sweaters and sweatshirts to be comfortable in your home.